Bedaka lo lokho uma bedakiwe uyaxolisa uba bedaka amasimba yini sponge yini lesi esiloko esikhala la siyabhosha futhi yini nganyaka yabhosha yakhama lokho it's sponge angidakile.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Saturday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Wodumo has been trending the whole week for insulting her mother-in-law on Instagram Live. Gom Queen Bongegile Smelane says she was just looking for publicity. She said the insult directed to Mampintsha's mother were intentional, and she also revealed that her intention was to draw attention to her new release titled The Crown. In a statement, she wrote that due to the late release of the Crown EP, I had to draw your attention to the point where I give you some taste of part 2 of Wodumo story, the one you all saw just before Wodumo was aired on Showmax. She has since apologized. I am sorry to those I might have offended, and due to the strong language, I had no choice but to do it around that time to protect my younger fans. I love you all to the point where I had to raise the crown before I presented it to you. And guys, Mampintsha's family did not accept the apology. His sister said, whose name is Pinky Gumede, said what she did is an embarrassment to our family. She's gone too far and we have taken a decision to take legal actions against her. We are not accepting her apology and she will have to explain his publicity stand in court. We've already met as a family and we will be finalizing everything over the weekend. Hi guys, Babes since Mangampela. I don't know who to Mampintsha ukliphi side makunje his family or his wife. Was she drunk or it was also a publicity stunt? I don't know guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do believe Wodumo's story of the publicity stunt, or she was really drunk and she just insulted her mother-in-law purposefully?